this symbol, okay, this cubic symbol, square. This symbol signifies a preview. So this symbol is a preview symbol. It's on all the files. So you see, even the lecture note 1, you can see it. You see it on even the course outline. You see the course outline, you can see it on the course outline. So let's say we want to download this. So we first of all preview. So you click on the button to preview the file. So it will take you to this view. All right. So what do you do? You scroll to view site. Now when that is done and you are okay with the file and you want to download the file into your device, you know, this approach, I'm using the mobile approach because it's very simple and easy for those who using laptop or PC to download any file from the website. But those using phone, they usually have issues downloading these files. That's why I'm doing this tutorial using phone approach. Okay, so what do? So how do you download this file? This file. Let's assume that you're okay with this file. You want to download it into your device. Okay, so before we download this file, I would also like to use this opportunity to inform those of you watching this tutorial that College Desk Ghana runs several services. One of the services we run is writing thesis for students. Okay, let's say you are completing your degree program, your master's program, your project work, your final year project work, which we call thesis or action research. We write all that perfectly professionally. Okay, so you need our services, you can get in touch. Okay, all right, so let's continue with the download. So with the downloading, you click on this button here. So you click this button, then the file will be downloaded automatically into your device. All right, so you see it's done downloading. So let's quickly check. Let me check my file manager and see if the downloaded file can be found. So in a download file, so you can see this outline, particulate nature of what chemistry. This is a course outline that we just downloaded, and as at the time I recorded this was 14th January, then 2:50 p.m. Okay, so this is it. All right, so this is how we download any form of files, learning resources from College Desk Ghana. So remember to follow us on all our social media handles. We have a lot to give. We just started. We have a lot to offer. So follow us so that we don't miss any resources we intend to bring across. Then also don't forget to share this with your colleagues, student or teacher colleagues. Anybody you think can benefit from this tutorial, share with everyone. And continue to recommend College Desk Ghana to everybody. Stay blessed. Thank you for your time.
College Desk Ghana. Your excellence, our priority.